Model, 1994 Ford Transit 190d Lwb Luton box van full camper conversion banana engine. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 77,000. Engine, 2,496 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well in all gears with a good gearbox and transmission. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. This camper is equipped with all essentials, from a kitchen sink to a bed, making it a perfect home away from home for your next trip across Europe or to the English coast. Genuine honest van that looks to have had all its previous advisories done and ready for a fresh MOT. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.